Oh my goodness, you guys, who is ready for Document December with Elle Studio? I am super excited to introduce you to all of the new products that are coming out with the Document December goodies. Let's start off with the actual Document December kit. Okay, your Document December kit comes neatly packaged in this cute little brown paper bag. Let's take a look at what we're gonna find inside. Make sure I got everything here. Oh, so excited. Oh my goodness, love those tile alphabet stickers. Okay, let me calm down for a sec. Let's start off actually with some of the paper. I think there's a calendar in here. Oh, I love it when there's a calendar. So that's a December 2020 calendar that you can put in the front of your album. You can notate little things in there. I used that a lot last year to show important days of the month. You also have Document December stickers, which have great sayings on them and little embellishment circles as well. And you have these awesome white December date labels, which I really love the font on those. Okay, so there's those. Let's take a look at these tags. I'm gonna put the wood veneer aside right now because I know you guys love the tags. So we have some 4x6 and 3x4s. Let's take a look at the 4x6s first. Really pretty bows, like greenery there with little stars, embracing all the moments of this holiday season. Oh, a recipe tag, which I really love. Stripes. This really pretty pink December tag. A nice green on the wish list. And a really pretty wood veneer, or wood, sorry, pattern. There's are the 4x6s. Let's take a look at these 3x4s. Love this little tree. How cute is that? Let your heart be light. Love this tradition. Presents. Currently loving. I'm gonna move these up. Details from Christmas Eve. Holiday happiness, joy to the world, currently during the holidays, and it has a list of eating, watching, reading, listening, decorating, baking, making, visiting, and enjoying. All about our Christmas tree. I always love that one. Details from Christmas Day. Christmas checklist, we all need those. A nice neutral one. Christmas playlist. Dear Santa from, that's a cute one for your kids to fill out. Gingerbread, snickerdoodle, shortbread, peanut butter, so like lots of different things you could be baking. I like that idea. The merry details. Let's see if I can get these apart here. My fingers aren't working very well. 3 favorites from this season on this day in December. I love those little sparkles. Holly, or trees. Baking, merry, merry, and bright. And this is a hot cocoa, favorite hot cocoa toppings list. 1 through 5 on a green tag there. Wood grain, special moment number 1 and number 2. Notes from this December day. Holiday gathering and on this day in December. So those are your 3x4s. Let's check out the rest of the goodies that you'll find in this kit exclusively. So, super excited about these tile alpha stickers. Look how big they are, and they're gorgeous. They have that beautiful mint green color. Aren't those awesome? They're this beautiful matte finish, which I love. Super excited about those. Hello chipboard. Loving these Elle Studio chipboard because they're matte, they're thin. You don't have to worry about too much bulk in your projects, especially if you're going to do like a traveler's notebook. You don't have to worry about all that bulk. And they have cute little, oh, I love the presents, cute little illustrations and phrases on these. So these are awesome. I'm super excited about those. The kit always has amazing die cuts, and I'm sure these are the same. Let's take a look. This is like Christmas for me. I'm like opening my Christmas presents in August, but that's cool. I'm excited about it. And I love that it's available now because then you can, you know, really kind of get an eye for what you're gonna do, get a plan going before the craziness of December comes. And who knows what December is gonna be like this year, you guys. So we'll see. Look at all these. On this day in December, green. Love this pretty light green too. Makes me very happy. So you have lots of labels. You have phrases, excited for Santa. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Look at those, super cute. Bows, sparkles, presents. Love the bows. December 2020, that's cute. Twinkle. Let's see, I thought I saw a tree in here. These bows are just so super cute. Christmas tradition. I love these tabs too. The tabs are always good to use. Oh, there's the Christmas tree. And I love that it has like the multicolored lights on it. How cute is that? I grew up with multicolored lights. So it kind of reminds me of my childhood. Magic. Holly Jolly, love this. Like this is one big pack of die cuts, you guys. How awesome is that? I love these little ones too with the ruffled edges. Oh, what fun. Love the season, the perfect tree. So look at all that. This is what you get in the die cuts. These never ever disappoint. They always have the best die cuts in these packs. So those are the die cuts, and then take a look. You have wood veneer as well. Holiday wishes, twinkle, fa la la, merry making, so cozy. So look, all of this you get in the kit. Check it out. All your tags, this calendar, your sticker sheets, the alphabet stickers, the Merry and Bright chipboard stickers, and your die cuts. So that's a lot of product in one kit. Now let's take a look at all of the add-ons that you can add to the kit. Okay, the first thing we're going to check out with the Document December add-ons are the brand new paper stacks, and there are two, which I'm really excited about. First off, let's take a look at Fa La La. These gorgeous patterns. You have a really nice dark wood grain, a beautiful white and a pink grid polka dot. Check that out. I love this plaid. It's super pretty. Tone on tone, red and pink. The is this holly? What is it? Pine boughs. That's really what it is, isn't it? Stripes that have this kind of zigzag pattern in there. An awesome gray grid. You have trees, Hello Santa, stockings, hats, and presents. There is a beautiful stripe that has all of the colors from the kit. Hearts, black and white stripe, and stars. So that one is Fa La La. Now, there is also a Christmas Basics, which I'm super excited about because if you love grids, if you love polka dots, stripes, then this is a great one for you. So this is red and white, tiny stripes, red grid, and red polkas. Then you have green and white tiny stripes, green polkas, and green grid. So you're getting the idea here. Then you have the same in the mint and the same in the pink. Aren't those beautiful? I love those soft colors. So you have basics and fa la la. So 2 awesome paper stacks. Now, this is new to Document December offerings. These are the December journaling tags. But I love them because they're like sized for traveler's notebooks, but they can be used to add more journaling. So look how fun. Super, super duper excited about these. So you have that multicolor stripe. You have a grid with these fun things along the edge. You have the wood veneer with some journaling spots. Wood grain with journaling spots, not wood veneer. You have on this day in December, so you could cut this apart or you could do something fun with this to keep it whole. Then you have the numbers, and then you have the tree boughs. So super fun. You get 2 in of each pattern, of each design. You can, you know, punch some holes in these and they're ready to go in your traveler's notebook or your mini album. They are super fun. So those are the December journaling tags. Let's take a look at the stickers. Super excited about stickers. And I'm going to show you these. These are white, so it's hard for you to see. These are the typewriter alphabet stickers. So let me just try to pull one off here so I can show you this awesome font. If you loved the black typewriter alphabet stickers that we had before, these are the white ones. So same thing, same font, same size, just white, and perfect to go with your Document December goodies. Then I just love these. These are so usable. First of all, the December date labels come in 4 different colors. Now with the kit, you have the white ones. If you want colors, you have red, green, gray, and black here. Just absolutely love these, love the fonts. They are super classy looking. Then you have these phrase stickers and kind of embellishment stickers here. You have elf approved stickers. So these have funny things that your elf could say. I love the hello, my name is tags. Hey there, I'm back. Fun and games, magic, Santa's little helper. Then you have the joyful stickers. So these have lots of different Christmassy phrases on them. I love these banners here that you can use to hang vertically or horizontally. Just love those. So those are your stickers. Now, this may be my most favorite product in the add-ons. You guys are gonna die. These are the Christmas cookie stickers. So I just want to show you. These are kind of a thicker sticker. They're nice and thick. They're matte. Just want to get that back down in the right spot here. And they don't have any bulk to them, so they're easy to put into your mini album. But these are Christmas cookie stickers. So you have little whisks and sprinkles, which I love, and little Christmas cookies that have been iced. You have Christmas cookies on a plate. There's different phrases. I'm just so super excited about these. There's also little places to put journaling on here too. So you have whisks in pink and bowls in pink, and then you have whisks in green and bowls in green. It is the cutest sticker sheet ever. I'm super excited about those Christmas cookie stickers. Okay, let's go to some different stickers here. Okay, we have the Deck the Halls puffy stickers with this gorgeous you know, handwritten font. Then you have all of these puffy label stickers over here. Then you have tiny hearts and dots and candy canes, sparkles, which I love. So there's so many different great stickers on that one. Then you have a dark green puffy alphabet sticker, which is perfect to go with the rest of the kit contents. Then if you needed more tiny shapes, here you go. Coordinates perfectly with the kit: red, pink, dark green, light green, gray, and black. Tiny shapes and dots puffy stickers. All right. Acetate numbers. Super excited about these. Elle posted a sneak of these on her Instagram feed. Let me try to get a few out so I can show you. But awesome numbers that you can use for every day of the month. So super excited about those. Adding those to my album this year. Then we have the December 2020 acrylic. Now I chose gold. This is going to be available in white, black, gold, and a wood veneer. So you can get December 2020 in all different forms. I just like the gold mirrored. Then we have, these are the Merry Cork stars. Let me get closer on these for you. How cute are these? So you have little stitched stars, 3 of those, and then 3 that have little words on them: twinkle, merry, and joy. These are the Merry Cork stars. These are the Wonder wood veneers, which I'm excited about these because they have the cute little cookies that are the same as on the Christmas cookie stickers. So you could always color those in. You can use stickles to color those. They would be really cute with stickles. And then you have some banners and some pennants and a heart. Super cute. Next up, we have the holiday wood veneer banners. So just different phrases that you would want to put in your album. Celebrate the season, December in photos, gather together, holiday happiness, jingle bells, a moment of magic, oh what fun, and Merry Christmas. Okay, so those are the embellishments. We cannot forget the stamps, which are always our favorite part. Let me just zoom back out here. The holiday note stamp. Super excited about this because I love these numbers. I love this list here. There's a ledger, and this has notes from this December day, so it's similar to that journaling tag that we saw earlier in the kit. A currently stamp, so you can stamp that over and over again to your heart's content. 3 favorites from the season, this special moment, December details, and a little tree. So that's a great one. Oh, there's also this journaling line, which is really cool here. It's like stitched lines and then 3 stars. Super excited about that for journaling. Then we have the December memory stamp. So this one has all your little embellishments. It has all your numbers, little stitches, hearts, little embellishments here, which I'm excited about, the sparkles and the circles. Love this tradition. Deck the halls, a little tree. This one is great for adding the date on this day in December. Merry Christmas, December memories, may your days be merry and bright, and holiday happiness. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys are excited as much as I am about all of these amazing Document December products from Elle Studio. Be sure to check out the kit and all of these amazing add-ons at the link in my video notes while supplies last. There are always some popular products in these Document December goodies that go very quickly. So if you see something that you love, be sure to grab it today while supplies last. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys are as excited as I am to plan your December albums using the Elle Studio 2020 Document December goodies. Happy creating!